everybody to another video with me, one and only Walt. And today we are playing a game called Modern Combat. Well, why we are playing Modern Combat? For one reason. Because I can't find Ancient Combat. Anyway. I was joking. But I like this game. One of Game Love's best work. So, let's just kill these dumb bad guys.
Move into cover.
How advanced are you? Well, I'm advanced though. Hey, I'm advanced. Stop teaching me what to do. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, you didn't die from that. Come on, shoot me if you want. It seems that you guys are not advanced enough to kill this. Oh my god. You're dead now. For leader, you suck, man. You suck terribly. Reach the evac zone. So what you want me to do, tough guy?
Hold up.
You want me to climb on you?
Let's go.
Oh, so heavy. Oh, you're so heavy. Oh, okay. Wow. Look at that scenery. So majestic. Oh, there goes my knees. Oh my god, die. You did. You did. You did you. No, don't. I had that. Yeah, I want this guy. Yeah, this guy. I had them, bro. I had those people. Okay. Time to cross a very rickety bridge and go to this green color spot. Even though I'm a advanced player, what do you want me to do? Huh? You want me to throw a grenade? The same thing? Yeah, you did. Stop shooting me. What's happening? Whoa, is my guy dead? Yeah, you did before you can even step up. You are so disappointment to your boss. Go and tell him, boss, I'm a disappointment to you. Because I'm dead before I even started my mission, boss. I'm dead before even I started my mission, boss. That's how bad I am. Oh my god. Don't do this to me. What do you want? Ooh, helicopter. No! Shoot! Don't, where are you? Stop! Don't. Yes, you died. No, not in my face. Okay, he flew somewhere unimaginable. Stop shooting me. Drive properly. I didn't shoot this bad guy. Like, they easily did you. No, how could this even happen? What in the world made this happen? Oh, my face wet because of you. Stop shooting me. Stop shooting me. I'm destroying it, but it's not destroying. Where are you? Stop destroying me. This is not my mission. Why would you even come with a helicopter? Don't. Yes, that's good. Very good. Yes, you fall on him. Fall on your guy. Come on. No. Everything fell in my face. Well, I can shoot water. Suppress the attackers, kill the terrorist leader, and destroy the helicopter. I'm like, with a sucky terrorist leader, there's nothing to. I've been promoted to level 5. That's great. Done. Let's go to the next. Challenge completed. Challenge completed here and challenge completed here too. Okay. Miss out. I want to miss out. I can reach it. Okay. Let's press miss out. Let's continue. Ooh. Who's this? Following the Michelins, Venice, Clyde and Phoenix returned to Gilman HQ in Tokyo. Upon arrival, he recruited sorry. He requested an off-site secret meeting with his commander, Sophie Rooks Daviau. Daviau. Why do people call her Rooks? How could Sophie Daviau be... Okay, let's not
Listen to
fight
me,
military
Miku.
people.
Venice did not go down like that. Gilman is... They're trying to erase their involvement.
What involvement? What are you talking about?
They planned it all. I've dug around. I've connected the dots.
Gilman was behind the whole
see it
thing.
now.
I knew it. Gilman really
was
looks
behind the whole
suspicious.
So, the world's biggest
Gilman
private
looks
security
the
contractor
most
is
suspicious out of
a
all
front
of
for the
us.
World Liberation Army. That is
Ha,
what you're
but
telling me.
this
We have been
lady
working for
doesn't
terrorists.
I
understand.
need your help, Ruth. You're
with
the
the
only one I
face
can trust. You know I've
expressions.
been asking questions.
And the mission report. Why did you sign it?
They made me when I
Yeah,
got
I
back to
was
Tokyo.
done too to sign it.
Lily,
Yeah,
my daughter.
oof.
They threatened to hurt
Those
her.
dumb,
Spoken to
dumb
anyone else about this bullshit?
daughter
I
threateners.
think you need to
Oh no,
get out.
oh no, I'm destroyed by rocks. Log in every day to collect your free daily login reward. You sure? What if I don't get my free daily login reward? What if I don't? Okay then. Let's see place in your area and localize advertising. Cancel. Cancel. No. Dude, stop. You cannot go back. What do you want me to do? I don't want. Okay, thanks then. Get out. I don't want bloody bunnies. Well, I have to tell you guys something. This, actually I played 2 levels and I recorded, but something happened and all of those things went down the dump. So I had to do this again. So just don't mind me while I play through again these 2 levels. So sad. So, on the first day of the International Summit on Cybersecurity, a number of concentrated attacks on Tokyo plunged the city into chaos. The number of fatalities is still unknown. However, initial reports indicate widespread devastation. We love talking to our players. Get in touch with us. Well, Gameloft, give me a phone number and I'll get in touch to you every single day. Repel the attackers, score 3 headshots. Well, I'll wait. Oh no. Oh no. Who are you? What if you are the bad guy? How can I trust you? Oh, I forgot. I'm also a dum-dum. I trust literally every woman I see. Oh, hello. No, don't. What is wrong with you? What is in the world wrong with you? I'm the soldier here. What is wrong with me? Why did I do that? Okay. Flying blood everywhere. No, don't shoot my friends. Oh, my gun just magically changed. How could this ever happen? No. What if I say no? Oh, it blew up. Ha 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 ha. What was that? Stay back! You sure? Why? Who said that? Oh, I said that. Let me just aim your head or your neck. Like your neck is like your most power. Oh, raining with patience. It's raining with patience. How could you miss me, dum-dums? A multi-kill. That's cool. That is definitely cool. Don't kill my friends. I love my friends. No. You useless bad guys. You kill. How dare you? How dare you do such a bad thing? Huh? Yeah. You and your useless jumps and hoodies in hiding skills. You guys have bad hiding skills and reloading speeds and aiming skills and literally everything else. You guys are bad at. Where you want me to go? Oh yeah, pro. Oh yeah, hey. Miku. Malayko. Malayko. What do you want me to do? I'm sorry that I killed your boyfriend. I didn't mean to. He killed my friends. I bowed down to you. Forgive me. Forgive me. What do you want me to do? You can't even shoot you. Oh.
Ruth told me
Oh.
to give this to you, so she
Thanks.
can contact you.
This costs like...
Thanks.
Okay. Repel the attacker, score 3 headshots, score 10 kill. Marksman, executioner, and hero. I'm a hero. You heard that, right? I'm a hero. I want Lance Corporal. Next. Ooh, almost got that. Challenge completed. Challenge completed. Challenge completed. Nope. We do this pro style. We don't buy stuff. We earn them by killing dum-dums. Like those guys. So, let's just wait. Oh. What is it? Easter already? I don't know. I don't celebrate Easter. So, let's see. Let's go in this level. The Raiders. The daughter of a military commander, Rooks lived in multiple countries before eventually settling in the US. To pursue a career in the military, it's unknown whether her nickname Rooks comes from the color of her hair, of her fury temper. How could that be Rooks? Huh? Huh? What? Okay. Well, military people, you know.
We need to hurry.
You see, my gun, it is so magical.
Stay back.
Everything I do, it changes. Okay, these dumb bad guys, okay, kill you. Oh, you don't die yet. Oh, I want your gun. Yes. How? I steal. I'm a military. Oh, hey, dum. You want a birthday gift? I forgot it's your birthday this Monday. Here, your birthday gift. Hope you liked it. Oh, you liked it because
So
you
who are
painted.
you?
That's
How do you know
good.
Rue?
I think.
I'm Elasa. Ruth is an
I
old
think.
friend.
Oh yeah, run. Yeah, go in front of me and act like a big boss or something. I'm the guy protecting you, and you run away like a fool. I'll move here. I take your gun too, and kill you right in front of you. Ha! What do you want? Ha! You die. You did. No. How dare you? You, my friend. I'm gonna write this down. You did. Oh no, more bad guys. How could you be? How? Stop shooting me. I'm the good guy here. Okay, I'm running. No. No, you shot him. No. No, bad guy. No. Don't do that. No. Hate all of you. Hate it. Hate all of you. So foolish and useless. All of you. Yeah, go down. Nobody wants to see you. Yeah. she really... Yeah, walk. You see how much she even hates you. Oh no, I fell. I am so sorry. See, your weight is so heavy till people when I walked it on you. Yeah, it's just galore. I'm moving here. Ooh, a bomb.
Nice.
Yeah, of course it's nice. Oh, this is the scout drone. Bloop. Bloop.
Come on.
Yeah, go down. What you want me to do? Why can't all of you be more smarter? Why can't all of you be even a little bit more smarter than to just come in? Oh, can't you be a... Okay, I'll kick you then. Kablu! You dead. So much of Avi, right?
Here.
Your knees down.
Human Venice.
Bye-bye. What is that thing actually? Now what is in a doctor's office which is flammable in a whole gas? What gas? Oxygen? I don't think oxygen is flammable. Is I mean, like, I know fire needs oxygen to work, but is oxygen flammable? Is oxygen flammable? Is it? Leave down in the comment section telling me if oxygens are flammable. If it is, yeah, stand there. Yeah, how did you even make? Okay, before we find out is oxygen flammable, let's discuss how does Miku get out of dude, you're like the queen. You're like the queen. How? And you just stand there with no motions, you see? You have no motions. Like during a surgery, she's like, doctor, I stabbed me. Oh, go too much. Oh, there goes my emotions. Bye. You are so special. Hello. Oh, smoke everywhere. Air pollution. Yeah, shoot me. Yes. Come on. You thought you can play the oof. I maybe shot him a little too much. Okay, executioner, marksman. I'm a hero, that's for sure. SMG silencer, completed, and continue, and massage. Well, let's see what they write here. Come back tomorrow for a special treat on us. And yes, I'm going to come back tomorrow, cause let's call this episode over here. Let me just say one thing, guys. This is an awesome game. This is an awesome game. I love this game. And I think you guys should download it too. And I think that's all for today. So, bye-bye.